I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm reading it slow so I can understand it fully. Appreciate my standing. Go.
Hey guys, welcome to Sadie B Has You Covered. If you have already been here before, welcome back. Today I have my first ever hair video. So we're going to be discussing how I got this wash and go, and I'm going to be reviewing Aveda's Flaxseed Aloe Gel for medium and coarse hair. So this review is going to be about how my hair feels as well as how easy the product was to work with. So let's have a little bit of a conversation. I am natural. I've been natural for 5+ years now. After my hair fell out, after relaxer, you guys, my hair has fallen out of my head, just fallen out when I've washed it at least 5 times in my lifetime. At least, okay? I have had to start over and over again. This is the first time, this is the healthiest my hair has been over a long span of time. But I have to admit, I was not an enthusiastic natural. So I stopped relaxing my hair, but I didn't stop straightening. I didn't stop applying heat because, to be quite honest, I did not like the way my hair looked in its natural state. I did not want to wear it in its natural state at all. Like, at all. I've tried, but I can't keep it like that more than a week or two before I'm like, where's my chi? I need to flatten my hair. So you guys, I'm going to try to go until April with no flat iron. Of course, I'm going to use my blow dryer, but I'm going to try to go with no flat iron. I'm a wash and go girl. I've tried twist outs in the past, and they haven't worked for me. Not to say that I haven't learned more things and that I can try it again and it might. So I probably will be trying that. But in the past it hadn't, and I've stuck with wash and goes. This wash and go turned out incredible. I filmed the later half of the tutorial part of this video this morning, and now I'm shooting the rest this evening, and I got compliments all day on my hair. This is one of the best wash and goes I've ever had. Let me turn around so you can see the back. It was great. It did not take me long to do my hair. Now I do have some straight parts, as you guys can see, and that in the front as well, and that is from heat. My hair does really well with heat, as you can see from all the other curls, because I apply heat to those areas as well. But the front, my bangs, I'm always trying to get them like flat and straight. So I apply the flat iron to them multiple times a week, which isn't the greatest. So my challenge is to not use a flat iron or excessive heat until the 1st of April, because I want to see how much. So I sprayed this in, combed it through my hair. Next, oops, I dropped it. Next, I used my Bumble Curl Defining Cream. This stuff is amazing. I love it, love it, love it. Cannot say enough about the Bumble curl line. The whole line features Brazilian nut oil, so it's really heavy. It gives a lot of nourishment to your curls. So I recommend that entire line to anybody. I've tried all of it. It's all good. And lastly, I applied the gel to my hair. Once I applied the gel to my hair, I took the concentrated nozzle for my blow dryer, and I used that to focus it on my roots. I put the heat on my roots, medium high heat on my roots, and then once I felt it getting hot, I did a cold shot to set it. And I did that down the length of my hair to stretch it. If I let my hair naturally air dry, the length is about like right here, and there's no volume whatsoever, even after I pick it out. So I don't like to air dry, and it's winter. Who wants to walk around with wet hair? Not me. I'm not trying to do it. So I blow dry it and I stretch it while I blow dry it. I also crunch my ends. I try to hold my ends crunched so I don't heat the curls and straighten the curls out. That's not my intention. So let's get into this tutorial so you guys can see me do my wash and go. I will see you guys again on Sunday. Again, make sure you like and subscribe if you like the video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you soon.
So guys, I won't be talking over this entire tutorial, but I will be going over these first few steps with you guys. So instead of starting with my water here, which I should be doing, I started with my Bumble & Bumble leave-in, the invisible oil leave-in and primer. So I spray that throughout my hair. Make sure you get it in there really good from your roots to your ends. And then I went back and applied my water just to make sure my hair was super saturated with water. Make sure it's nice and wet. It helps to weigh your curls down so you get a better stretch. And next, I take a comb and I'm going to just comb that through. I want to comb the leave-in through. So just make sure your hair is nice and detangled. I detangled mine with my conditioner while I was in the shower. And so I just want to continue to comb through that leave-in. Next, I'm taking my Bumble & Bumble Curl Defining Cream. And I'm going to take about a nickel-sized amount, rub it in between your hands, get it nice and warm, and you're going to rake it through your curls. Make sure you rake it through your curls thoroughly because you want the product to warm up some so it's able to saturate your cuticle and it's able to get into your hair nicely and evenly distributed so you have a good curl pattern when you're done. So I'm just going to continue to rake that through. I'm going to continue all these steps for each section of my hair.